How to check last downloaded apps on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. The App Store is used to discover, download, and manage apps. Users can find a wide variety of apps, including games, productivity tools, and utilities, both free and paid. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Then, go to Apps. In the All section, you can view all the apps that you have installed and uninstalled according to the date. Scroll down and tap on the download icon beside any app that you want to get back, or tap on Open to open the app. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily check last downloaded apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.